Welcome back to Math 155, section 9.4. So let's continue with our monthly payment formula for the fixed installment loans. So let's take a look at this one. Blake bought a new car and financed $15,000 to make a purchase. He financed the car for 60 months, all right, with an APR of 5.5%. Assuming he actually made the monthly payment, determine the total interest. Okay, so this one is asking for the total interest. The previous one with Lynette, it was about the total cost. So this one just the interest. All right. So first thing first, the difference, another difference between this one and the previous one is there's no down payment here either. Okay. So the 60 months, my time, 60 months is the same as 5 years. All right, so that's what I needed. So in order to find his total interest, we need to come back to this concept of paying off. So take our monthly payment times the total amount of time. All right, he is going to pay the monthly payment. So this answer, inside the payoff answer, it has my principal, which is what Blake financed, plus the interest. So once I've done the payment times the time, I need to subtract off the principal in order to get the interest out of it. All right, so find the payment first. Okay, he is making the monthly payment, so Blake's monthly payment is going to be, all right, finance for $15,000 times the R is 0.055 divided by 12. All right, whole thing over brackets 1 minus parenthesis 1 plus 0.055 divided by 12. Whole thing raising to the negative 12 times the t, which is 5 years. All right, let's put that in the exponent in the blue parenthesis. All right, let's see what his monthly payment is going to be. Open parenthesis for the top, 15,000 times 0.055 divided by 12, close parenthesis, divided by open bracket, 1 minus open parenthesis 1 plus 0.055 divided by 12, close parenthesis, exponent, open the blue one, negative 12 times 5, close the blue, close the brackets. All right, so his monthly payment, $286.52. All right, so this is monthly payment. All right, so let me score this down a little bit. So the payoff. So I'm not calling this the total cost, okay? Because sometimes the total cost does include a down payment like the previous one. So I'm gonna take this monthly payment times by 60 times, right? This is a monthly payment, so the time got to be back in month. So this will give me the total amount, okay, coming from the payment, 862.52. So for this example, once he paid $286.52 for 60 times, he has paid off the car, which is $17,191.20. So inside the 17,000, it has what he financed, the 15,000 plus the interest. So to get the interest out, we will have to subtract. And the principal we financed for 15,000. So if you subtract the 2, that would be 2,000. $191.20. All right, that's what we do with this one. All right, now this one is a pretty big problem, okay? So a new school building was recently built in the area. The entire cost of the project was $20 million. The city has put the project on a 20-year loan with an APR of 2.9%. Now, there are 21,000 families that will be responsible for making a monthly payment towards the loan. So determine the total amount each family should require to pay each year. Okay? Each year to cover the cost. All right. So basically, what I'm going to do here is to figure out the monthly payment, okay? The monthly payment for the entire $20 million first. All right. So if I can find the monthly payment that all 21,000 family are responsible for, then we can divide it by the $21,000. All right. But that's just monthly. Then we will go back and times by 12. If I can find what each family is responsible for per month, then I can times by 12 to figure out what each year is. All right. So let's find out the city's monthly payment over the entire 21,000 families' monthly payment is. All right. So we take 20 million times R is 0.029 divided by 12. Let's do this monthly. Whole thing over bracket 1. What was that? 1 minus 1 plus 0.029 divided by 12. Whole thing raised into the negative 12 times 20 years, right? So let's put that in the blue. So this will be the monthly payment for the city, monthly payment for the city or for the entire 21,000 families. All right, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. All right, close the parenthesis for the numerator, divided by open brackets, 1 minus open parenthesis. 1 plus 0.029 divided by 12. Close parenthesis. Exponent. Open the blue. Negative 12 times 20. Close parenthesis. Close the blue. Close the bracket. All right. 10,000. 109,000. 109,920 and. Well, if I round to the nearest cents, the 99 cents will actually carry into next dollar. So let's just say $21. Okay. $21. There you go. All right. So this is for the every month. Okay. This is for 1 month. So each family per month were responsible for 109,921 divided by 21,000 family. So 109,921 divided by 21,000. All right. Each family were responsible for $5.23. All right, so this is one family per month. So each year, that will be $5.23 per month times by 12 months in a year. And my answer, $62.76. Right? So that means in 1 year, okay, the family will be responsible for $62.76. All right. All right, one last one. Owen has two options to buy a car. Okay, so this problem is a little bit of work. All right. Option A, 1.1% APR financing over the next 36 months. Okay, that's it. And option B is 6.1% APR over 36 months with a $2,000 cashback, which he would use as part of the down payment. The price of the car is $34,000 and Owen has saved $3,400 for down payment. So the $3,400 for the down payment is for both options. This is the cash he has on hand. So when he does option B, okay, he get $2,000 cash back, which is additional down payment. But for option A, he only have $3,400 for down payment. So let's do option A, okay? So what did he finance? In order to find the monthly payments, okay, so because the problem is asking for finding a total amount Owen will spend on the car. All right, so this example is a lot like the next example, okay? But I just need to do it for two different options. All right, so what will he finance? So the amount he will finance is going to be $34,074 minus the down payment. Okay, so let's see what that is. 34,074 minus 3,400, and that will be $30,674. All right, so this is the amount he will finance. All right, let's find our monthly payments. Okay, once I got monthly payments, then I can take the payment times the 36 months in order for us to know the total amount spent from the payment, and then we can add back the down payment to see what the total amount is. All right, so the monthly payment, $30,674 is my P, times interest rate, 1.1% is 0.011 divided by 12. Brackets 1 minus 0.011 divided by 12, raising to the negative 12 times 36 months is 3 years. All right, so put that in the blue. Oops. Put that in the blue parenthesis. All right, let's see what his monthly payment is going to be. 674 over 12 divided by open bracket 1 minus open parenthesis 1 plus 0.011 divided by 12, close the parenthesis, raising to open the blue parenthesis, negative 12 times 3, close the blue parenthesis, close the bracket, 866 and 58 cents. All right, so this is his monthly payment. So the total cost will be, take his monthly payment times by 36 months. All right, so that amount, okay, will be from the payment, plus he also already put $3,400 down. So his total cost, 66.58 times 36 plus 3,400. His total cost should be $34,596.88. Alrighty, so that's option A. All right, option B. All right. Now, how much will he finance this time? Well, option B, his finance will be $34,074 minus the $3,400, right, that he has saved for down payment. But now option B, he also get $2,000 cash back, so we will subtract another $2,000 off the cost of the car. So if you put this in the calculator, he will only finance for $28,674. Okay, so now let's do the same thing. Okay, let's find his monthly payments. Let me write it out. 28,674 times. All right, his interest rate for option B is 6.1%. Still for 36 months. 0.061 divided by 12. Whole thing. Brackets 1 minus parenthesis 1 plus 0.061 divided by 12. Whole thing raised into the negative 12 times 3 years. Be careful now. The T is in years. Alright, so if you punch this whole thing in the calculator, you should end up with $873.62 as his monthly payment. So now the total cost, this is the part we gotta be very careful, because the 873.62, his monthly payment times 36 months plus, right, from his payment, all right, that's his pay, whatever you multiply there, that's his payoff, plus what he already put down, $3,400. Now I'm not adding a $2,000 back because he actually never put the $2,000. Okay, he actually never spent that money. That money was given. Okay, the cash back money was given to him. So this is not part of. It's not part of what he actually spent. Okay, so that's why we don't have to add a 2,000. Just add down what he actually paid as a down payment concern. All right. So this is the total amount he actually paid. So if you put in a calculator, the answer will be $34,850.32. All right. So that's the end. So these are the two answers. Okay. These are the two answers for option A and B. So it seems like option A saved him a couple $100. Alrighty. So in this lecture video, we just continue work on our monthly payment, using our monthly payment formula for the fixed installment loan regarding to purchasing. All right, and trying to find the interest and trying to find the total amount paid. Okay. All right, that will conclude this lecture video, and this will be the last video for chapter 9 as well. Thank you for watching.